Hello, good morning. So one of the problem which I have this one. This one is moving. Okay. So I see here there is one screw. This one, and I have to look how to tighten how to tighten this screw. Okay, so either I have to search screwdriver to tighten it. So I was thinking how to do. I don't want to open the box that has different type of screwdriver. So at last, this is to cut the knife. This saved my time. Okay, so what you have to do, just if you have this, put here, and let's see, here you see, and then you can tighten it, moving this. So okay, so just use this, and you can tighten it. Okay, so these are the simple things which we can use in the kitchen to tighten the screws. Okay, well, I'm going to tighten it. Good, now it is fixed. It will not moving. So very easy. If you have the handle is moving, so take a knife, this one. This will work like a screwdriver. Insert it here and tighten it like this. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.